more for diagnosing. Yeah, you can use that for both. Yeah. So normally, when I'm operating with my clinic in other countries, so they are sending me the check. So I'm using the check and I write down what they have to test. And when I get the test result, I write down the protocol, what they have to do for therapy. Sometimes I never see the client, but I know how to treat him. So this is the sense of this compact seminar, that you are able to put the information you get from the client into a therapy. Yeah? I get very often the question now by email, how to treat. You must understand how the physiological body works, and then how to treat is very simple. Because you must bring the body back into the logic of regulation. Because this is the reason of a disease. Yeah? And if you make it too complicated for the client, because when it is complicated for you to understand, how can it be easy for the client to understand? Because you must always realize you are giving an impulse how he has to go and where he has to go. So, and the logical question from the client is, why I have to do this? And when you don't have the understanding why, so how can you transmit this information? Yeah? So, when there is a step you don't understand, don't treat it. It was the same when we are discussing yesterday about some virus and bacterial and other stuff which are in the machine. When there is no consequence for me, why I'm testing this, why I'm spending my time for unnecessary things. Yeah? Try to concentrate and to focus on really important things. And I promise you, when you have your individual menu, when you are using the basic test set, and maybe you have a structure for virus and some poison, then we are talking about maximum 150 ampoules from 5,000. And when you know to operate this 150, you are better than every clinic. You only have to handle them. You have to see the connection inside of the body. Yeah? And sometimes it is not necessary to show all details for the client. Only the way. Yeah? When you ask me how I can reach Hamburg, I say, go direction north. So then you know how to go. Yeah? Or I make you a list, yeah, of 1 kilometer with each road which is important. But it's not interesting. You only want to have the direction. Yeah? And if you are going with this motorway or this motorway, it's up to you. Yeah? The direction is the most important. So try to concentrate on this. But otherwise, another idea behind resonance and matrix is to make a clear option of the evaluation of a disease. Yeah? Because you are generating disease. It is not something which is coming suddenly. Of course you can say, when I'm going out, yeah, there's a car, the car hit me and I couldn't prevent. I see different. You are going out and the car can hit you, that you learn about the pain, what's going wrong. Yeah? Always ask, why is this situation at this moment the weak point? Yeah? So, when Frank will tell me I have an accident with my food, so then I have to ask, why? Yeah, of course, everything can fall down. But why you have your food, yeah, to stop the stone or whatever fall down? Yeah? And why it is going on this tube and not on this tube? Yeah? Because on the tube you have the meridian lines. So this is a kind of attention, take care of the health. Yeah, of course, when you have an accident, I know. It was very interesting when I decided to buy Wegamed, or to found Wegamed, so to buy Vega. I have an accident. Because normally when I have stress, I go for sport and then the stress is done. But I get an accident by kite surfing, and I have time. So I could really sit down and calculate if I want it or if I don't want it. So this accident was really necessary to change my life. Yeah? So, and it's important that we know about this, because especially when we have injuries in sport, they give you a lot of information about the person behind it. It depends where you have the injury, and I can tell you what is behind, and maybe I also can tell you the psychological body behind. Try to go